lor kochopo kanyo tarik 27 mar dwe niendi mar adek mar mondo mi koro we thuolo ne chenro gi ko mag yiero ama bende dhi tim e kar chung od bura maket kod mano endo. Weche gi biro kanyo endo weche gi no wach kanyo endo kod jagoro e migao mar somo Julius Bitok ma bende no yango kanyo eko ni okonego beni no yango kanyo eko ni tungri mara mora konego beni bedo kinde go kuma bende dhi bago yiero no e kar chung od bura ma Emurua Dikir. Chiwo bende siem mager ne ng'ata ma bende koro biro yudo ka ketho mwandu go eko mantiere sikul ni biro kawnegi ondamo mager mar chik.
I want to confirm that on the 15th of this month, I received a letter from the UDA party requesting for primary schools in Emurua Dikir constituency to be used as polling station for the purposes of the UDA primaries coming on the 27th. I wish to confirm that we have allowed UDA party to use the schools as polling centers and polling stations for the purposes of the upcoming UDA primaries. We are working together, we are open, and we have given very firm instructions to the aspirants that we are not going to entertain any destruction or any interference of properties of the school. Like UDA nominations must be peaceful and must be conducted in a way that respects the property of all our schools in Emurua Dikir constituency. So the aspirants are well briefed. The aspirants have been advised accordingly, and we expect nothing short of a peaceful party primary. And we are very neutral. We are very keen on facilitating the party, and we are very neutral, and we are ready to facilitate any other party who is interested in conducting their primaries in any of our schools, as long as the nominations of the parties are peaceful. And that is our civic duty, to ensure that the people of Emurua Dikir have exercised their right to elect their representative as they wish.